I paid the little $15, man, so this better be worth it. I ain't feeling. Next. I don't know what's going on here. Next. Trash. Can't do it, won't do it. That is... it's kind of trash. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rel back with this video. Today we're about to review some auto-generated logos in Dall-E, so stay tuned and check it out. Peace. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this with a family member or a friend. When we get to 500, I'm giving a free merch giveaway from my website, 86visions.com. I'm gonna pick a random winner. You're gonna give me your sizes in the DMs. I might have to DM you on Instagram or something like that. I'm gonna get your sizes and I'm gonna get those shipped off to you, man. But I appreciate you guys. Let's get started on the video. I paid the little $15, man, so this better be worth it. I hit the surprise me, and this is what it came up with. So far, this is crazy. Like, they got oil paintings and all types of shit. Like, I did not know what to expect on this website. Okay, this is cool. The space monkey, that's really cool. Like, if this is auto-generated, this is crazy, and I'm probably not gonna have a job that much longer. You got a sea otter with a pearl earring, bro. What? That's so random, though. And he got a hoodie on. Alright, I don't know how I'm gonna get through this video. Huh? Now, this is cool. This is really dope. That's like a digital oil painting. If this is where we at in 2023, I can only imagine where we're gonna be in 2030, 2040, and 50s, man, bruh. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna look up a bear with a crown, an emblem, and I'm gonna compare it to mine, and we're gonna see which one looks better. Okay, these are trash, thank God. Okay. These are horrible, thank God. But that's terrible, bro. That's terrible. The crown don't fit the head. You know, it's a big gap right here. This is just, ugh. Burry, like the name, the font, that like this is my current logo right here in the black and white, the clean black and white, the classic White Sox black and white. Shout out to you, boy. Merch in the description if you need that. I like mine better. This is not bad. It kind of looks like a dog. Like right here, the eyes look like a dog. This little nose, it definitely looks like a puppy. The crown is behind the head. It needs to be up front. I'm over here critiquing the damn digital art. Anyway, man, I hate that damn. This is not bad. It looks like two separate art pieces they tried to put together. I'm not feeling this like that. I ain't gonna hold you. But let's look at something else. I ain't feeling. Next. I don't know what's going on here. Next. Okay, that's not bad. This logo right here, it takes me back to those days where people were just getting any type of clip art, just putting it on a shirt. They did not care. It was just whatever. Would I personally wear that? No, I would not wear that. It's not gonna happen. No. That is kind of trash. So being close to something, this isn't bad. It still looks a little janky though. Ooh, now here we go. They spelled the name wrong. I don't know what the hell a teddy bear is. Tagoon or some shit. I don't know what the fuck that is. That's not bad though. That's usable. The crown could use some work. We could tweak it. Video idea. Would y'all like to see me tweak some logos that we find on here? Y'all let me know. Leave that in the comments. I'm still not impressed that much. This isn't bad. It's a little rough around, the edges. A little rough. That's not bad. Some of these lines, man, they're not coming in fully formed just yet. I genuinely feel like in the future, Dall-E is gonna, or a program like Dall-E, computer generated logos and designs and stuff, that's gonna be insane. I saw that feature in Photoshop where you could just type in some shit and it just generates it. Like, what? Ooh. Now this is usable. This is usable. The name, we gotta get rid of T80 or Tiati or something. Fuck that mean. I don't know what T80 means. I don't know what it means. Get rid of it. It had to go. But I like the symmetry on this. Crown a little bit too big. We could shrink it, you know. But overall, I think it could work if you were to design something like that. Trash. Can't do it. Won't do it.
Get somebody else to do it.
Cannot play with them. Cannot win with them. Cannot coach with them. Can't do it.
I don't think I'm that good at typing these descriptions out because I'm getting back trash. My God. That's dope. That's dope. What do y'all think about this? That's dope. I like the lines. I like how clean the lines are. Now we'd have to go in and clean them up, obviously, but that's dope. Ooh, hold on, that. We're getting somewhere now. Thank God. Whew. This is clean. I love the symmetry. I love the designs. The eyes are clean. I mean, they're two different eyes. You can go through, cut half of this off, and then just copy and paste it and flip it. Yeah. But other than all of that, this is clean, bro. That's really clean. What do y'all think about this lion logo? Wow. Okay. The symmetry, the lines, man. Like, again, it's gonna be tough for all logo artists going forward, man, with stuff like this. However, thankfully, it's not in a place to where it can create it perfectly. Like, there's still some lines that need to be cleaned up and all that. So I'm not too worried, but boy, give me about 3-4 years, I'll be scared to mother.
I can't eat. I'm broke.
Go, I'll be shook, bro. You might just catch your boy vlogging at that point. We might not even be designing shit, because ain't no point. That's clean. The colors, I don't like the colors, but we can get them moving around and all that. I like these lines, bro. The shield, I'm loving the shield. It's getting better. I like this. Bruh, you fix these eyes and you got something right here. This ain't your normal clip art. Like, this is gonna be something. Man, I like it. What do y'all think? I love this mane. I love the hair. Looks a little Dragon Ball Z-ish. Goku to win Super Saiyan 3 on us. But I like it. There go the otter with the bling on his ear, man. Shout out to bro. Yeah. Okay, now this is it can be cleaned up though. You know, that look like Raditz. Shout out to all my Dragon Ball Z fans. If you're a Dragon Ball Z fan, leave that in the comment section. Leave your favorite character in the comment section. Mine is Trunks, Future Trunks. I ain't feeling it. I like the colors. The colors are clean. I like the shadows and the highlights and, you know, all that. But this is clean. This is clean right here. I like the nose and the eyes and stuff. But I don't know. It's not bad. It's just cut off. You can't really see it. I don't know what the going on right here. His eye is cooked. Ooh. Finally, yes. I like this. Again, the lines need to be cleaned up. Other than that, that is nice. For an auto-generated logo, this is insane, bro. That's crazy as hell. That's clean. The shadows, the highlights, the composition, the design, everything about this is clean. Except the lines. Once we clean the lines up, that's a good logo, bro.
Get off that dick, bro. What is you doing?
Look at the mean bear. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It has an expression. Like, it has, maybe that's what I need to be adding to it. Expressions. It has everything you need right there. That's crazy. I'm impressed by Dall-E. I'm not gonna lie, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. That one's cooked. I ain't though. I like this one. The teeth are a little cooked, but you know, we'd have to fix all that up. Other than that, guys, like, that's not bad. I love these colors. I'm not gonna lie to you. That blue and that orange, brownish, whatever the hell, with dark around the edges, dark brown around the edges. Yes, I love it. I love it so much. Would I use Dall-E in the future? Absolutely. For like mood boards and inspiration and stuff like that. Yes, yes, I would. Would I use it to sell logos as? No. I'm not gonna do that. I'm an old school guy. I like to sketch my logos out and build them up on my own and go through that whole process. That's just where I'm at with that. However, could I see other people using it? Absolutely. People are always going to find shortcuts, and this is definitely a shortcut. Me personally, it's not my wave, but I can see people doing that. Should you use it as an up-and-coming designer? It depends on how you use it. Should you use it to sell logos? No. You should not. You should not cheapen yourself out, your skills out. You gotta work on your craft. You gotta build your craft up. Dall-E can only take you so far. As you've seen, some of these lines are off. Some of these, the composition is off. There's no personality in some of these designs. Maybe that was my fault because I didn't know how to search it. This is my first time using it. I think it has a future in design and just overall life. However, if you want to be a better graphic designer, you need to get in the lab and work on it on your own. Don't depend on technology to be a crutch for you. Get in the lab, work on your craft, build your skills up. And if you want to use Dall-E as like a foundation or as some inspiration or something, then you can use it. All right. But I thank you guys for making it this far. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all have a great weekend. I'll see y'all next week. Peace.